is it's Saturday. No, it's not. It's Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. I have the whole day off, so I'm going to devote the whole day to this. My plan is to work on this last train wreck section here where tree fell on it, backhoe hit it, something happened to it. It was really bad. This whole area, I don't know if you saw the pictures before or some of the videos when I was fixing this, but this whole area was down. Way into here. This whole thing was all crushed. It was a mess. And we've been saving this last train wreck section for last because it's the hardest and it's really not going to be any fun. I'll be working off the ladders. My biggest nemesis, ladders. Oh, I hate ladders. But we're going to start on this. First thing I have to do is I got to take a hydraulic jack system and put this here, push this back up. On the top, you'll see there's a big hole. I'll take the camera up and I'll show you the big divot, and then I'll bring it back inside and show you how we're going to push this back up, get it level with everything where it belongs, and then I'll start body work. So give me a second, I'll carry you around. Okay, so if you can see this big dent here, I'm going to plug this thing. I don't know if I'm doing it justice, but yes. Can you see it? I can't really point to it because it's too far away. It's, right in there. That's the other side of that. And then looks like Jonathan and I did a good job of beating this out with a sledgehammer. You probably saw an earlier video of that when we were pulling it with a tow truck and some frame clamps. We were actually using real frame clamps. They weren't just hooks like everyone thought it was. It's real, honest to God, $1,000 frame clamps we're using on this bus. But this is what I have to do today, this last section. And then that's it. Then I'll just move over. The last section will be the red one up front, way up front where the destination window is. That's the last piece of the roof. We're back inside. So I'm going to push this thing up. Another thing I have to do, Jonathan wants done, is we have to make some kind of protective box that goes over these 3 holes. And what that's going to do is allow him to put his wires inside the box. And then I think there's these wires. And then they can spray foam this section. I think our friends at Cape Energy is going to do the spray foaming in this section. And I think we're almost ready to start doing the sides. I go down the sides. I think we got everything we wanted in place. Well, it's even, but like all great ideas, the aluminum piece, this is made of aluminum, and of course it collapsed on itself. So I'm going to bend it back where it belongs with a big-ass pair of vice grips, and then bend this back. But we got the flushness now, and I see that the dent on the other side is better. So we'll push on time lapse, and you'll see me bend this back, and you'll see me go upstairs, and I'll go start fixing the dents on the other side.